Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 7X, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So as you can see, I have SIM and SD right here, along with the SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device, though it might look a little bit different than this one. So you can use that, or you can also use a paper clip to strain out one of the ends, and it should work basically as well as this thing. And the reason you need this is because the tray for the SIM card and SD card is right here, and it needs something really small right here that you can push in so that the tray pops out. And once you take it out, you will have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. If you're planning to use dual SIM, place one of the SIM cards on the SD tray sideways, like so. But because I'm using one of each, I'm going to move it over and then slap the SD right beside it, right here, and there we go. So from there, let's insert it back into the device. Oh, something's not right. Let's try that again. Okay, there we go. The cards kept popping up when I tried to insert it, but now that it's in, as you can see, it automatically shows me the pin for the SIM card, and also does the most annoying trash out there, which is change the language of the device, completely disregarding your previously chosen language of the system. So yeet goes your English as an example, and is substituted for the language of the SIM card. Effing great job. So if you get agitated beyond belief by this trash as I do, I'm also going to show you how to change the language right here, because for me it changes to a language that I actually do understand. But you might not be as lucky. You might be living in a country where you don't actually speak their language and use their SIM, right? You just pop the card and there you go. Off goes your complete system language to something that you just can't use. Awesome. So for those, easy way to do it: pull down your notification panel, tap on the settings icon, scroll all the way down to, let's see, I believe it might be in advanced settings, which is the third option from the bottom with the settings icon thing. And then, yep, it's right here. It's the second option from the very top. So as you can see, whoops, not what I want to click. As you can see, there's the arrows. So I'm going to select the second option, and then the first one, which is the actual language. And one additional amazing thing that it does, it doesn't just change your language, it completely gets rid of the old one. So normally when you add another language, right, it adds the language that you had plus the one that you have selected, and then you get to drag it over. No, not in this case. In this case, it just completely yeets the previous language and substitutes it with the trash of a SIM card. Again, nice job. So from here, we're gonna select add language, which is the second blue text, or the last one, basically. And you wanna find your desired language and re-add it by tapping on it. Select the version of it, and from there, drag that language over to the top, and behold, we got back, after 2 minutes of struggle, our previous language. So anyway, this is for the people that just got completely agitated by the stupidest design of Huawei, because this is Huawei basically. And basically that is how you can solve that stupid problem after you insert your SIM card. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.